In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for personal use. Asana is a versatile tool often used by teams, but it can also be incredibly powerful for managing personal tasks and goals. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Asana's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up on their website. For today's video, I'll assume you have an account, so go ahead and enter your email address in the login field. After entering your email, click on the continue button. Asana will prompt you to enter your password, so do that next. Click on login and you'll be taken to your Asana homepage, which is the hub for all your projects and tasks. Now that you're in, let's use Asana for your personal projects. You might be wondering how a tool designed for team collaboration can help you individually. The key is creating projects that align with your personal goals, hobbies, or activities. For instance, you can set up a project to manage a fitness routine or organize a hobby such as photography. Let's say you're planning a vacation. Asana can be your ultimate planner. Create a project to manage trip details, compile to-do lists before you travel, and track activities during your vacation. It's like having a personal assistant that ensures you don't miss out on any detail. Another fantastic way to use Asana is for tracking habits. Whether it's reading daily, meditating, or decluttering, you can set up projects to ensure you stay consistent. Regularly checking task completion can motivate you to maintain these habits. Time management is crucial, and Asana excels at it. Organize your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks by setting up different sections or even separate projects. Use Asana's flexibility to prioritize what's urgent and what can wait, giving you a clearer picture of your schedule. Setting personal goals is another area where Asana shines. Whether you're aiming for career advancement, health improvements, or learning new skills, define these goals within Asana and track your progress step by step. Use milestones to note significant achievements and keep up the momentum. As you become more comfortable with Asana, explore adding details like deadlines, notes, and links. Remember, the more comprehensive your setup, the more you'll get out of Asana. Personalize it to suit your style, and before you know it, managing your life with Asana will feel both natural and efficient. I hope this tutorial gives you a good grasp of how Asana can fit into your personal life. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.